You guys usually call order at 6:22. You guys don't call order like, you know how, oh, one table 1 at 6. Like,
Mom, you like it? Hey, you don't want me? Mom, my friend.
you know what you have to do?
Well, I like it.
Why, he doesn't like peanut butter?
Uh-huh.
You like your hash brown? Hi, baby. This is a pomegranate mojito from the Glendale Galleria. Super busy here today. Target! Hey, you like it?
Open the fridge.
You like it, Tyler? Hi.
Could you open it?
Ah.
The underpart the drink is from. I told you that.
You're gonna go and put all the drinks inside? Oh, okay. Finally settled in. It's 5 o'clock and we're gonna go grab dinner because we have not ate anything except for breakfast this morning. Right, boys?
Yeah,
You guys are hungry?
eat McDonald's breakfast.
Mm-hmm. How's Tyler feeling?
Good?
He's feeling good. Is he hungry?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Good, my mommy.
Smells good? That just means you're hungry now. Mm-hmm.
But it's kind of off.
Premium beef with short rib.
You're eating short ribs or oxtail?
You think it's good? It looks good, huh?
One or the other. You can order, just order one of each. Cheese. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Mommy. Mommy.
Pork and shrimp supposed to be the...
Always eating chicken everywhere we go. Chicken all the time. Always fried chicken all the time.
Yeah, and fries.
Yep, all the time. Same things over and over again all the time. Yummy, Austin? Yeah. Use your fork and spoon.
Con này mình cho rib rồi.
Mommy. Yeah.
Ooh.
This is so scary. Right, Mommy? My dad cooking some good food, right?
Yep. It's been a long time, huh? We came here once, and that's a long time ago.
Mom, this is our first time getting here, right, Mommy? But it's our first time in the zoo, right, Mommy? But it's our first time in this kind of zoo, right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm. This is my second time.
Well, this is my first time.
This is your first time? It's my second time.
Is this my first time?
Can you fish there? Why? You see fishies?
Yeah.
Where?
Show
You saw fishies in the pond?
Oh, look.
Where are we at today, Austin?
The zoo.
The zoo?
Crocodile.
We're at the Los Angeles Zoo.
Oh, look at the crocodile. Don't see the bird. That's a little animal like that. Oh, crocodile there on me.
Crocodile up there?
Look, see?
He's holding his baby.
Mom, look at his face. One baby. One Austin, there you go. Smile.
Huh?
I turned to say something to me.
Mama?
One lip and the
Yeah, Mama.
and one lip on the and one lip on the
You guys hungry?
snake.
Ready for food?
No.
No?
I'm not eating.
Lions and bear. Oh no.
But I love blue for that.
Yeah.
Oh, this shop is open.
All the babies are talking.
Go today.
Yep.
Burgers and fries. Chicken tenders and fries.
Ew.
That's just fries. Eat it.
This is nasty.
That's the skin.
No, just go.
That's the potato skin.
Ew.
Yummy fries? Mmm, yummy.
It's good that they bought this.
Mmm, this fries are good.
Fresh.
It wasn't good.
Mm-hmm.
I know that. Why is that? Let's go see our
You like it? He's small, huh?
Daddy, come on.
You know,
Don't touch the new animal.
that's Timon.
Oh,
You know, on the Lion King.
they're swimming in the water. Mommy, so there's a pink and a white one.
You know why they're pink?
The white one is at the hot dog.
That's why they're that color.
Let's go. Water lizard.
There's a lizard that lives in water.
No, Dad, see the tail?
Turtle. Turtle, baby.
More turtles are coming.
Ooh, fishy, fishy.
Mommy, come on. Mommy, come on.
Look, over here. That's the lizard right there. Look, they're rubbing its neck up. See?
Ew. Ew.
Look at that.
Okay, come on. I show you the lizard. That's the fancy doors. So over here.
I see the thing.
Over there.
Where?
Okay, you see it. They don't have like a van. They don't have a van. All they have is like.
Mommy, there's no there.
Went over there.
See the baggie?
There it comes again. Look.
Look at the fire.
Oh my god.
Look at the fire gun.
Ooh.
Mommy.
It is so big.
Mommy.
Ooh.
Mommy. But that's really big. Mommy, how do they capture that thing?
It's a really big bird.
But how do they capture it?
A net. Probably use a net and threw it on top of it.
And how do they catch a cheetah?
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, it's fire gun.
Oh my god.
Look, it's fire down there. Now it's fire there.
It is so big you could fill the. Noah. Austin. Over here.
I thought you cookies.
Look at the big one with the huskers over there. He's playing on the tire. He's in the playground right now. You see him? He's playing over there with the tire.
He's playing with the tiger?
The tire.
Hey.
The car tire.
No, I thought you said tiger.
No, the car tire.
Yeah, it almost like tigers, right, Mommy?
He's pushing it over there.
So we're on floor number 9 here.
Number 9 down.
Yep.
No, Mama. It is day 3 of LA and we're finally going to Universal Studios. And these kids are just doing too much.
Big up. Go down.
Eat your candy? Hmm?
Whole Christmas season. Now, please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason. It could be his head wasn't screwed on just right. It could be perhaps that his shoes were too tight. But I think the most likely reason of all may have been that his heart was 2 sizes too small. For he knew every who down and whoville beneath was busy now hanging a mistletoe wreath. And there, hanging their stockings, he snarled with a sneer, "Tomorrow is Christmas. It's practically here." Then he growled with his clenched fingers nervously drumming, "I must find some way to stop Christmas from coming." Then he got an idea, an awful idea. The Grinch got a wonderful, awful idea.